Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khan and I usually talk about citizenship by investment programs, residency by investment programs, second home visas, and also company formation and business registration in different countries. So guys, today's video is very special because I will talk about Portugal's D visas and how you can get this D visas for you to settle down in Portugal, to move to Portugal with your family, and basically what are the requirements. Either you are eligible for these visas or not, or which visa is best for you actually. So I will talk about three visas. Portugal has actually divided the visas on different categories: D1 visa, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, like that. But we will talk specifically about three D category visas, the D2, D7 and D8, because other visas are related to like study visas, work visas, golden visas, so different type of visas. But for us, actually for most of the people, these three are important. The D2 visa, which is a business visa, also called entrepreneur visa. Anybody who is a businessman who want to do business in Portugal can apply for D2 visa, and I will tell you the exact requirement and the step-by-step process how you can apply for this visa and how I can help you or we can help you in Portugal for the D2 visa. The second one is D7 visa, which is for people who are retired or who are receiving passive income like rental income from properties, dividends from interest, and also if they are receiving retirement pension basically, right? So the D7 visa is a passive income visa, or you can say retirement visa. Then we have D8 visa, which is for digital nomads or people who are working online and remotely from home. So these three visas are very important, and many people are usually talking about these visas to get into Portugal and to settle down there, right? So let's talk about the D2 visa first and the requirements, and then I will tell you about the other visas, the steps in detail. So D2 visa, as I said, is a business visa. What you can do with this visa, you enter Portugal, you have a company, a registered company, and then you can do a lot of any business through your company. Like you can do many businesses under one single company. So through this business, this D2 business visa, first of all, it has to be applied outside Portugal. You cannot apply inside Portugal. You will apply outside Portugal at the consulate or embassy. Once you get the visa, you have 120 days to enter Portugal. You have two entries, right? So you can two times enter within 120 days. Once you come to Portugal, you have to give biometrics to the IMA, the immigration department, and you will get a residence permit for 2 years, and then you can renew that. But before that, what you need to do is you need to get a tax number in Portugal. Number one requirement, the most important one. The second one, you need to open a company, and you need to provide a proper unique business plan to the visa officer for approving the visa, right? The D2 visa is basically entrepreneur visa, so you have to give a business plan, and normally you cannot give a very normal general business plan. Like you cannot say like I will open a restaurant, I will open a cafe or something like that. It should be little bit unique and demanding and expandable in Portugal, right? So we can help you with that, how to prepare the unique business plan for the visa purpose. Once you get the visa, then you can add many businesses to your company. Like this is the very good thing that under one company you can do many type of businesses in Portugal. Just you need to pay the taxes, right? So the company formation and the business plan is important. Then you have to rent a house, and you have to have a rental contract for 12 months. And this is a very important thing and a very complicated thing as well, because you are not in Portugal. So from outside you have to look at the apartments and then apartments and houses, and then you have to get one and then make the contract. They will send you power of attorney, the real estate company, and then you will have to send them back the power of attorney, and then they will make the agreement. So this is a very important and little bit like complicated step, but you have to do it, right? So you need a rental contract for at least 12 months, and then you need medical insurance. So these are the most important documents for the visa, right? These are the requirements for D2 visa. Now once you apply for D2 visa, the embassy, you will submit these all documents to the embassy in original form. The embassy will take 30 to 60 days for the issuance of the visa. Once you get the visa, you go to Portugal. So that's the process. And then in Portugal, you will actually apply for the residence permit, and then you will run your company, your business, right? So that's it for the D2 visa. Now for the business plan, for opening the company, for getting the rental contract, for everything, we can help you. We have a good team of lawyers. I was already there in Portugal. I recorded an interview with my lawyer, you can see in the video, but unfortunately guys, there was some problem with the audio system in my camera, so I couldn't publish that video. That is why I am making this video, to share with you my experience, because I recently visited Portugal. I was there for like a week, and I also am going to establish my own company, my own business there in Portugal, right? So for D2 visa, we can help you with almost everything from start to end, the whole process. Like, you need to just contact us. I will tell you what it will cost, right, and how much time it will take. Now let's talk about the second visa, which is the D7 visa. The D7 visa, you need everything except the company, because the company you need for the D2 visa. For D7 visa, you don't need to register any company. You just need to show income, 800 euro a month for a single person. You need to show a passive income, right? For company D2 visa, you don't need to show income, but you need to show amount in your bank account to show that you can support yourself and your family while you are in Portugal, right? So it can be like 10,000 euros for one person in your bank account, right? And you will also open a bank account in Portugal after you establish your company. For the D7, you just need to show a passive income source. Like, for example, you are receiving pension, you are receiving income from real estate, maybe you are receiving from income from bank deposit, fixed deposit. You can also receive from company shares income, or any other type of passive income where you are sleeping and you get the income, right? So you don't need to work for that income. This is the main requirement for the D7 visa. For one person, 800 euros. If you have spouse, then you need to add 50% more, like 400 euros. So for two people, 1200 euros will be enough passive income, and then little bit you will add more if you have children with you, right? Straightforward. You need the rental contract for this as well. You need the tax number and all other stuff, but you don't need the company, right? And you don't need investment. Now the last visa is D8 visa, which is called digital nomad visa. This is again very important for people who are working from home remotely for companies. You need a contract with the company for whom you are working from home, and you need to show a monthly income of 3,200 euros a month. You need to regularly receive that income from the company you have contract with, and this is for one person. If you have more people, like your spouse and kids, then you have to add more money into that income, right? So you need to show the proof of your work and your bank statement which receives regular income from that source, right? This is the first thing. The second thing, again, you need rental contract for 12 months in Portugal where you can live. You can also buy a property. You don't need either of two, like you have property there or you have a rental contract for 12 months. That's it. Medical insurance you need for all three visas, and tax number of course you need, which is called NIF. With the D2 visa, we can also help you obtain the D7 visa and also the D8 visa, and we can also tell you whether your income will qualify or not, and we can assess your case. You can contact us on this WhatsApp number you can see on the screen, or I will put down in the comment. Just send us your message, or you can also email me, because we have a professional team of lawyers and consultants on the ground in Portugal, and we are helping a lot of people right now for obtaining these visas, and we can help you from start to end, right? If you have any question, you can put down that in the comments, and you can also search on the internet. You will find information about these visas, and I hope you got my points about D7, D8 and D2 visa. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you with another video very soon.